My dear students, learners and viewers, all of you are welcome to my class. I am Leonie Sikder, assistant teacher of Goila Model Secondary School. I am going to share a class on English for today of class 8. Dear students, sometimes we like to remember our past, isn't it? There's a topic in your English for today book like this. Can you guess? Yes. The topic is Shamima's flashback. Flashback. So, open at page 47, Unit 5, Lesson 2 of your EFT book. After learning this lesson, you will be able to say some word meaning. You will able to read the text properly, choose the best answer and answer the questions. At first, I like to share some words and their meanings. The first word for you is stunned. Stunned. The meaning of stunned is astonished. অর্থাৎ হতভম্ব হওয়া। So, stunned means astonished. The next word, admiration. Admiration. Admiration means respect. অর্থাৎ শ্রদ্ধা। Admiration. The next word for you is adolescent. The meaning of adolescent is teenager like you. Understand? And the next one is pay. Pay means to give. অর্থাৎ কোনো কিছু দেওয়া। The next word for you, heed. What is the meaning of heed? The meaning of heed is to pay attention to. Attention, to give attention, to pay attention. And the last one, the last word for you is protest. Protest. Protest means strong complaint, expressing disagreement. Strong complaint. So, my students, we'll go to our next step, that is reading test. I will read the text from section A and you will listen very carefully, okay? Shamima started to tell her story. Listening to her, we were stunned and at the same time our hearts were filled with admiration for her. It was 1995. Shamima was 15 years old. She got promoted to class 8. Shamima had all the dreams of an adolescent. She wanted to bring about a change in her life. She wanted to see happiness in her family too. She knew she could fulfill her dream by completing her education and getting a good job. 15-year-old Shamima's dreams were nipped in the bud. Her father wanted to marry her off against her will. Marrying off a girl under 18 is against the law in Bangladesh. Shamima did not want to get married, but nobody paid any heed to her. They arranged her marriage with a man much older than her. All her tears and protests went in vain. Shamima was married off to Kamaluddin Juardar. Dear students, you have heard the lesson and I think you have understood. Now, you will choose the best answer. Remember the best answer. Okay. The first one is Shamima's story dash everyone. Shamima's story dash everyone. What's the best answer? Choose. A. Fascinated. B. Astonished. C. Shocked. D. Worried. Which one? Yes, astonished. And the second one is Shamima thought about the welfare Shamima thought about the welfare of her dash. শামিমা তার কিসের জন্য কিসের ভালো চিন্তা করেছিল? You have four choose: family, friends, cousins, neighbors. Which one is best? Yes, right, family. The next question is Shamima did not want to get married. Shamima বিয়ে করতে চায়নি because she wanted to complete her education, কারণ সে তার পড়াশোনা শেষ করতে চেয়েছিল, but nobody dash her, কিন্তু কেউই কি করেনি? Number A, talked to. B, listened to. C, took care of. And D, looked after. Which one is the best answer? Yes, nobody listened to her. Dear students, now you have to answer the following questions. Section C. First question is, how long did Shamima begin to tell her story? How long ago did Shamima begin to tell her story? অর্থাৎ শামিমা কতদিন আগে বা কত বছর আগে, কত দীর্ঘ আগে তার গল্প বলা শুরু করেছিল? Can you say anybody? Yes, the right answer is she began 8 years ago, 8 years ago in 2012. Next question for you. What did Shamima dream of? Shamima কি স্বপ্ন দেখতেন? কিসের স্বপ্ন দেখতেন? Can anybody say? Yes, the right answer is Shamima dreamt a happy family. As an adolescent, she had many dreams, but the main dream of her is she wanted a happy family. She wanted happiness, to bring happiness in her family. Number 3. Did Shamima's dream come true? What do you think? No, her dream did not come true. And the next question, how old is Shamima now? Who can say? Yes, now Shamima is 40 years old. Number 5, as an adolescent, what are your dreams? What are your dreams? I think your answer will be, you have a dream to become a good citizen, isn't it? Yes. So, I have a nice homework for you. Write down on your notebook and you will do it at home. Write about a person who has suffered or struggled like Shamima by using the following phrases. Pay heed to, pay heed to, nip in the bud, nip in the bud, in vain, in vain. Dear students, dear learners and viewers, I think you have enjoyed my class. Thank you very much for watching my video class with patience. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay? See you next. Bye. Thank you.